its own stability system.
Yeah. It's got a gyroscope and an accelerometer built into it, so it actually monitors all the movements it does.
I mean, without
Right. You know what? We don't actually, we don't know as far as the hardware version and all that. So price hasn't really been established yet, but
I mean, for you guys,
the thing that we're trying to stick around is that it's going to be affordable.
How long does it take you guys to develop this? 4 years now? Okay. It looks pretty good. I was just saying, yeah. Attack! I was just saying, yeah. If you guys made a nice light mesh cover to go over the coverage for the blade,
Yeah.
like a metal, you know, a cover that we stick